How to know if someone blocked you on Instagram? In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple ways to check. First, open the Instagram app and tap the search icon. Search for the person's username. If their profile doesn't appear, or you can open the profile but can't see their posts, followers, or following information, you may have been blocked. Another way to check is through your DMs. Open your messages and find your previous conversation with that person. If the conversation shows Instagram user, or you can't open their profile from the chat, this could be another sign that you've been blocked. You can also search for their profile using a different Instagram account, such as a mutual friends account. If their profile is visible from another account, but you can't find or view it from your account, that's a strong indication that they may have blocked you. However, keep in mind that these signs don't always mean you've been blocked. The person may have deactivated their account, changed their username, made their account private, or Instagram may have restricted or removed the account. And that's it. These are a few ways you can check whether someone may have blocked you on Instagram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Instagram tips and tutorials.